Hello traders, welcome to Investoo.com, and today we're going to learn how to choose the right binary option broker for you. The first thing you need to understand and you need to know is that most binary option brokers will not allow for US traders. This means that most binary option brokers are not going to allow US citizens to open accounts with them and trade with them. Now, this is due for because of regulatory issues within the United States. But if you are a U.S. citizen, there are some options for you available. You can go to askoption.com, Win Finance, or City Option, for example. To know more about regulatory issues with binary options on the United States, well, just visit the binary option brokers page at Investoo.com. Now, if you live outside the United States, there is absolutely no problem for you to open a binary options account with one of our broker partners. And here is where you have to know what you are looking for in order to choose the correct binary option broker for you. The first thing is the payouts. If you're looking for high payouts, then you might use U-binary, which pays up to 90%, or City option, which pays up to 91%. If high payouts for you is not as important as reputability of the binary broker or binary option broker, then you might go with the Bank the Binary, Stock Pair, or 24 Options, which are three of the biggest binary option brokers in the market. After that, you have to take into consideration the assets that you are going to be able to trade on with these brokers, the minimum deposit, and the minimum and maximum trade amounts that these brokers allow. Now, when we're talking about assets, you can see the Bank of Binary has 120 plus assets available for you to trade. And for example, Ask Options has 100 plus assets. City Option only has 61 assets. Cherry Trade only has 72. Porter Finance has 100 plus assets. It's really not that important if one broker has only only 61 assets and the other broker has only 120, because most brokers will have the most traded currency pairs, the most traded commodities, indices, and stocks. So you are going to be able to trade a vast amount of assets with either one of our broker partners. Then you have to look at the bonuses that these binary option brokers have for their clients. And most of them do have welcome bonuses and first deposit bonuses. For example, U-Binary has an up to $5,000 first deposit bonus. Bank the Binary has a 100% first deposit bonus, which means that, for example, if you deposit $1,000, then you are going to be to have $2,000 in your brokerage account for you to trade binary options with Bank the Binary. Stock Pair has a 40% up to 500 with 3% cashback. This is not as simple as a bonus as a 100% first deposit bonus, but it's still a very good one because the Stock Pair is going to give you 40% up to $500 on your deposit, and is going to give you 3% cashback on your trades. Some other brokers are going to give you first deposit bonus and a 10th risk-free trade. For example, Win Finance does that, which means that if you lose your first 10 trades, then you are not going to lose the money that you would have lost, and that you're going to get it back. That's what risk-free trades are. And of course, there's unlimited risk-free trades in OX markets, a 50% welcome bonus in option XO, etc. So basically, most of these binary option brokers offer very good, um, welcome bonuses and first deposit bonuses for their clients. But here's a word of advice: when you choose your binary option broker uh, based on their bonuses, please read the fine print for the release or for the terms of release of these bonuses. And then you have to go and see the minimum deposit. And most binary option brokers have a minimum deposit from 100 to $250, which is great to start trading binary options with. And last but not least, you have to look at their trading platform. Their trading platform has to be easy to use, and one of my personal favorites is Bank the Binary. And the reason is that, well, if you zoom out a little bit right here, well, you can see that you can, first of all, trade of 2 or 3 assets at a time without having to move your page up and down. And you also have different types of binary options to choose from. So you need to be comfortable with the trading platform, because that is what you are going to be using to make money with these brokers. And basically, that's what you need to look for when you're choosing a binary option broker. And if you visit our binary option broker page at Investoo.com, you are going to find all that information redacted into one very comprehensive table. And if one binary option broker from our list uh, meets all your trading requirements, then just click on Visit Broker to read more about it and to open an account.